Good morning, dear student. I welcome you all. The topic which I am going to start from today is explanation of internal factors. Previously, we have gone through the types of environmental factors of organization that is divided into two broad categories. One is internal, second is external. Today, we are going to understand each and every topic carefully and in a detail-wise manner. The first is internal factor. These factors are the environment which exists under the organization, which comprises of employees, policies, meeting, etc. My dear student, these factors are, in an easy way, we can call it as controllable factors. These factors can easily be controlled by any organization because it is totally related to the inside of any organization, which is under the control of the top level management. Now we are going to discuss the internal factors in very detail. The very first is, these are the four internal factors of organizational structure. The very first is policies, then second is management, then third is employees, and the fourth is corporate culture. My dear student, policies means the policies are the set of rules and regulation which are designed by the top level management, and it is totally designed as per the organization. Policies are the set of rules. These are the plans which are prepared by the top level management, my dear student, to achieve the objective of any organization. That how we can achieve our objective, what will be the duties and what will be the responsibilities for the employees, that is been designed and framed out by the top level department of any organization, and it is totally dependent on the organization. They can change it at the time whenever it is required. Second is management. Management of any organization is totally an internal affair. It can be changed or altered as per the need of any organization. If the current management is not working properly, we can change it as per the permission of the top level department. Then the employees are the blood of any organization. They plays a very vital role. Employees are the base of any organization. They take salary and wages from our side, so they are under our control. Whatever work we are going to designate to him, we are going to allocate to him, the duty we are going to assign to him, they are going to follow it if it is necessary and if it is lawful to them. If any wrong work we want to make them to do, then they can refuse the work also. Then corporate culture. The corporate culture means the environment and the atmosphere of any organization. It is totally dependent on the organization that they can change the atmosphere of the organization. As the size of the organization is increasing, the corporate culture is also getting developed and it is getting enhanced. But if the size of the organization is getting shorter, the corporate culture also behave in the same manner. So these are the four internal factors of the organizational structure. I hope, dear student, this is clear to you and this topic is understood by you. Now we are going to move to the next topic, that is external environment of organization. Here you can see all. First we are going to study the definition of external environment, and then after that we are going to start the political and economical factors. The very first topic is external environment. The factors which are related to the external world of the organization and which are having the power to change our organization and business dynasty is known as external.